Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key battery in a Honda CR-Z. This was model years 2011 through 2014 that used this button, or this key with the rounded buttons on it. So first thing I want to do is flip this key over and see there's a really small screw right here in the base. You'll probably want a precision screwdriver set like this. You can get these for like $4 on Amazon, and I'll link to this one in the video here. So getting the screw out can take a little bit of work, but once you're able to get it out, this will go fairly quickly. So get that screw out, place that off to the side for now. Now take a flathead screwdriver, and in the base here, there's going to be a little notch right in the middle of the key, and if you put the flathead in there and just twist a little bit, you'll see that the base of this especially starts to move, and you can actually just pull this right off. And if you pull it towards you a little bit and flip it up, the reason I say pull towards you is the only connection point here is kind of a notch at the top, and so if you kind of pull it towards you and then flip it up, it'll come off really easily. So here we can then just pull out the internals, this internal section of the key, and just go ahead and set aside the fob case. So looking at the key like this, in the upper right here, there's a small little notch right in the middle, and we're going to do the same thing we did before, which is take our flathead, put it in the notch, and then just twist, and that'll separate these two pieces and give us access to the internal coin battery that we need to change. And again, using our flathead, we can just pop this coin battery out, and it's a CR1616 3-volt coin battery. And once you have a new one of these, which I'll link to as well, just make sure you place it back in with the positive side down, and that'll kind of just pop into place. There's not really any major overhangs on these little prongs that hold it in, so you can really just kind of pop it back in. Then just from here on, we're just going to reassemble the fob, the key itself, and just popping things back together. Boom, everything works. I mean, good thing to check the battery, just make sure that red light comes back on if you've got that on your particular key. And then realign this back into the case. And then when you're putting this backing back on, if you line up that top ridge there, and then see if you don't line it up first, like, it's difficult to close. So if you just start from the top, make sure that that's lined up, and then you'll see it's really easy to get everything lined up. And then just put the screw back in, and that's how you change the key on the CR-Z. Years 2011 to 2014, and again, the battery that you need is CR1616.